What's up, Charlotte? What you doing? Did you need us to scratch you? Oh, you're tired. You had a yawn. What can we do for you? What is it? Is there something we can do for you, Charlotte? What is it? You just want some loving? No? Are you looking for food?